Friday the 13th January, it was the birthday of our DOP, Alex Thomas, and his beautiful girlfriend who also works in our makeup and special effects department, Nikki Camilla Peters. Wonderful people they are, and we celebrated them on this day. Join us as I take you through how we surprised Alex and his girlfriend.
Alex, great guy, you are wonderful. I just today, I spent my time in land, but I wish I'm the right hand, but we chose not to want you on the camera anymore.
Me?
Yeah.
Huh?
Most of the shots. That's why yesterday I asked if your glasses were recommended. Most of the time, your camera is always out of focus.
Wow.
I spoke with Amber last night. I was very. We spent days, and I spoke with her, and we watched all of it. And I'm sorry, but that's my choice. But what I decided to do was, we had an agreement, and I'm not going to breach it. So I had them printed out, and I want to give you what is left of what we need to give you. That's the truth.
This is me? What's going on?
What we have started is going to end well and never gonna spoil. So we say coldly,
Oh my God.
On the saxophone. Happy birthday.
happy birthday to you.
No, you can breathe,
Let's do it the way we did it.
Life